Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to resize a photo on Android. If you want to resize a photo from your Android phone, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open Google Photos app in your phone and select the photo which you want to resize. As I have selected, now tap on edit option, and here this window will be open, and here you just have to tap on control, just select it in control. Here's the resize option, just tap on it, and here you can resize your image. As I am going to select square, so it will resize in square. Now select anymore, I am going to select 3 by 2, just select it and it will change into 3 by 2. Now now I am going to select it 16 by 9, and you can see it has been changed into 16 by 9. You can move down, move up and move down your photos. So that's how you can easily resize your photo on Android. After doing this setting, you just have to tap on save copy, and then it will save over your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.